I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the ride. Before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors.
Hey y'all, hope y'all doing good on today. I wanted to show you all this wig. I was sent from Asteria Hair. Big shout out to them for sending me out this wig. But this is the unboxing. I got some lashes, some elastic bands. Y'all know how it is. Wig cap. I got all those goodies. And this is the wig. I have a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's a 24-inch. This is a water wave texture. The cap size I have is a medium, and I have a 180% density. Okay, so this is the wig. Very pretty. I love the waves. I love water wave hair. I love any wavy or curly hair. Y'all know that if y'all watch my videos. But yeah, this was a very pretty unit. The waves were really nice and soft. I decided to do no baby hair, and I only applied this wig using spritz. I wanted like a quick, easy install with not too much hassle, and I used my spritz. And yeah, it was pretty self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video. If you're interested in this company or this wig, I do have the information and specs in my description box for you if you're interested. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I want to thank Asteria Hair for allowing me to try out this wig and for working with me again. I appreciate you all so much. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Have a good day.
Couldn't keep it at home, thought I needed a knee along. I'm trying to right my wrongs, but it's funny them same wrongs help me write the song now. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl. Testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. Yes, yes, yes. Guess who's on third? Lupe still like Lupe in the third. Here like here till I'm bitter on the curb. Peach fuzz buzz, but bitter on the verge. Let's slow it down like we're on the serve. Bottle shaped body like Mrs. Butterworth. But before you say another word, I'm back on the block like I'm laying on the street. I'm trying to stop lying like I'm Rob, but I'm not lying when I'm laying on the beat. On guard, a touche, Lupe, cool as the unthaw, but I still feel possessed as a gun charge to come as correct as a porn star. And a fresh pair of steps and my best foreign car. So I represent the first. Now let me end my verse right where the horns are like I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl. Testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky.
We take it home, baby.
Sky high, I'm sky high. 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 Sky high. I'm sky high.
Yeah, keep it rolling. Yeah. Feels good to be home, baby. Feels good to be home. Feels good to be home, baby. Feels good to be home. Feels good to be home, baby. Feels good to be home.
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors was closed. I felt like bad boy street team. I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take 'em back to the plan. Me and my mama hopped in that U-Haul van. Any pessimists, I ain't talk to them. Plus I ain't had no phone in my apartment. Let's take 'em back to the club. At least about an hour I stand online. I just wanted to dance. I went to Jacob an hour after I got my advance. I just wanted to shine. Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now he look at me like, damn dog, you what I am. A hip-hop legend. I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Now let's take 'em high. La 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 la.
Top of the world, baby. Top of the world.
Now let's take 'em high.
Top of the world, baby. Top of the world.
La 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 la.
Top of the world, baby. Top of the world.
Back when Gucci was the shit to rock. Back when Slick Rick got the shit to pop. I'd do anything to say I got it. Damn, them new loafers hurt my pocket. Before anybody wanted K-West beats, me and my girl split the buffet at KFC. Dog, I was having nervous breakdowns. Like, man, these niggas that much better than me. Baby, I'm going on an aeroplane, and I don't know if I'll be back again. Sure enough, I sent the plane tickets, but when she came to kick it, things became different. Any girl I cheated on, she skeeted on. Couldn't keep it at home, thought I needed a knee along. I'm trying to right my wrongs, but it's funny them same wrongs help me write the song now. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl. Testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. Yes, yes, yes. Guess who's on third? Lupe still like Lupe.